Welcome back to my video. Today's quiz is all about would you rather questions. You've got 50 of them. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather be bitten by a dog or be stung by a wasp? Would you rather cut yourself or walk barefoot on sharp objects? Would you rather fart in front of your whole class or fart in front of your crush? Would you rather be in a room full of spiders or be in a room full of snakes? Would you rather have bad breath or have smelly feet? Would you rather kiss a toad or like this video? Would you rather take an ice bath or take a lava bath? Would you rather have a visible booger or have a drool stain on your face? Would you rather only use YouTube or only use Netflix? Would you rather never eat fast food again or never eat sweets again? Would you rather have big ears or have a big nose? Would you rather have a flying car or have a water car? Would you rather wear a clown costume or be in pajamas all the time? Would you rather eat the same food every morning or not eat for 24 hours? Would you rather live without a bed or live without a phone? Would you rather have a gap between your teeth or have crooked teeth? Would you rather have toys be able to talk or have animals be able to talk? Would you rather say everything you think out loud or never be able to speak again? Would you rather make just enough money to survive or be rich by scamming people? Would you rather burn your tongue while eating or get a paper cut? Would you rather own a luxury house or donate $500,000 to charity? Would you rather be allergic to McDonald's or be allergic to Burger King? Would you rather never use soap again or never use toilet paper again? Would you rather have a pet rat or have a pet snake? Would you rather have weird eyebrows or have extremely long nails? Would you rather own a yacht or save a kitten? Would you rather live with endless rain or live in extreme heat? Would you rather play video games at home or go out and play with friends? Would you rather have no more social media or have no more video games? Would you rather be kind but dumb or be mean but smart? Would you rather be homeless your whole life or go to prison for 10 years? Would you rather eat too much sugar or eat too much salt? Would you rather live in the mountains or live by the sea? Would you rather never cut your nails again or never cut your hair again? Would you rather travel to outer space or travel to the depths of the ocean? Would you rather be able to see in the dark or be able to hear through walls? Would you rather have sticky hands or have slippery feet? Would you rather sleep for only 1 hour every night or sleep for 20 hours every day? Would you rather star in an action movie or star in a horror movie? Would you rather wipe with a cactus or wipe with a wasp nest? Would you rather lose 2 toes or lose 1 finger? Would you rather become Shrek or marry an ogre? Would you rather live in an igloo or live in a haunted castle? Would you rather wear an itchy sweater or wear shoes that are too small? Would you rather swim with sharks or spend 1 year in a bunker? Would you rather spend a weekend in a deserted place or spend your life in a crowded city? Would you rather go to school on a slide or go to school on a zip line? Thanks for watching.